Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off community discovery on your account on Reddit on email settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings. Now click manage emails, and here we'll find community discovery. Just click on it like this, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and it will be turned off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.